Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to the science class. Today we are again going to discuss about heart. In the previous lecture we studied about the external structure of heart. We studied about the function that the human heart is an organ that pumps blood throughout the body via the circulatory system. It supplied oxygen and nutrients to all the tissues and removed carbon dioxide and other wastes from them. Now, this is the detailed internal structure which we are going to study today. Basically, the human heart is divided into 4 chambers. The upper chambers are called atrium, the right atrium and the left atrium. The lower 2 chambers are called ventricles, the right ventricle and the left ventricle. All these four chambers work in collaboration with each other. Now we are going to see that how these chambers work. First of all the deoxygenated blood, it is received by the right atrium. The right atrium receives blood through veins and it is deoxygenated blood and it is then pumped to the right ventricle. The right ventricle receives this deoxygenated blood from the right atrium and then it pushes it to the lungs where it is loaded with oxygen. Here all those nutrients are removed which are not needed. Now from here the oxygenated blood is pumped to the left atrium. The blood which comes to the left atrium is oxygenated and rich in oxygen. From here, the blood is pumped to the left ventricle. The left ventricle pumps oxygen-rich blood to all parts of the body. The left ventricle creates the blood pressure. In this diagram, you can see all the 4 chambers of the heart. You can see that right atrium and right ventricle are having deoxygenated blood. And the left atrium and left ventricle, both of them are having the oxygenated, that is oxygen-rich blood. Again, we are going to discuss the functions of heart. The heart supplies blood and nutrients having oxygen and hormones to the cell and removes the metabolic waste which are carbon dioxide and nitrogenous wastes.